Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Lexus LC Expert Review. Alex Lexus is best known for its practical crossovers and sedans, but the brand also knows how to create expressive, enthusiastic coupes. See the LC for proof. Something of a follow-up to the legendary LFA supercar, the Lexus LC arrived for model year 2018 looking like a concept ready for the road. The 2024 Lexus LC is offered with a gasoline or hybrid powertrain, with a fixed roof or convertible top. Competitors in the LC's rarefied strato include the BMW 8 Series, Porsche 911, and Mercedes-AMG SL Class. Collapse all chevron. What's new? Chevron modern infotainment system installed ultrasonic blue mica and copper crest added to exterior paint options. Dark rose red interior upholstery becomes available. Driver assistant active safety features. Updated bespoke build personalization program offered across the range. What we think Chevron, we doubt there will ever come a day when the Lexus LC doesn't look fantastic. Driver preferences evolve and new technologies come to the fore, but no matter what happens, this sleek two-door will remain as stunning as the day it debuted. Indeed, design remains the LC's primary appeal. It's a rolling fashion statement, aided by the numerous expressive colors on offer. That notion continues in the cabin, which is full of lavish materials and amazing attention to detail. This year, the interior receives a new touchscreen infotainment system, likely a huge improvement over the clumsy touchpad interface used previously. For as sleek and sporty as it looks, how the LC drives is less so. To be sure, it's a lovely thing to pilot on any road, but it's not as quick, precise, or refined as some competitors when it's pushed hard. That's especially true of the LC 500h, which is saddled with an overly complex, if reasonably fuel-efficient, hybrid powertrain. Our pick of the range is the LC 500 convertible, as it best encapsulates what the car is, a relaxed, indulgent grand tourer with an incredible design and a mellifluous V8 soundtrack. Performance and MPG's Chevron. As V8 engines increasingly fall victim to emissions regulations, the 2024 Lexus LC 500 gloriously exemplifies the delights of internal combustion. It's equipped with a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, which spins out 471 horsepower and 398 pounds-feet of torque amidst a sonorous rumble. That's all channeled through a 10-speed automatic transmission to the rear wheels. Our test team extracted a 4.7-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time from the LC 500. However, fuel economy is predictably unimpressive for such a powerful and old-school engine, 15 to 16/25 miles per gallon city, highway. What's the world's most beautiful hybrid? The LC 500h is a top contender. Under its long hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine augmented by two electric motors for a total system output of 354 horsepower. That output is sent to the rear wheels via a peculiar transmission combining a CVT and 4-speed automatic. In our testing, the LC 500h proved nearly as quick as its all-gas counterpart, posting a 4.8-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time. As expected, fuel economy improves to 26/33 miles per gallon. Lexus LCF, where is it? Chevron. In its quest to shake its boring reputation, Lexus has focused on expanding its F-performance tuning division. We think no vehicle in the automaker's lineup is more deserving of F treatment than the LC, and Lexus might think so, too. So where is it? spy shots of a potential LCF surfaced as early as 2018, but years passed until we got any sort of other hint about it. At this point, if or when an LCF might become reality remains unclear, although creating it as a swan song for the LC's production run around 2025 or 2026 might make sense. However, we believe Lexus is at work developing an all-electric sports car with performance that could surpass any combustion-powered LCF. Another clue seems to have emerged with the debut of the 2024 Lexus LC 500 Inspiration Series. It appears to have the same style rear wing as the vehicle in the most recent LCF teaser. Retuned dampers, a limited slip differential, carbon fiber roof, and small canards on the front corners, as well as a model-specific interior, are also standard on the limited edition model. Safety features chevron for 2024, standard active safety and driver assist features increase in the LC as part of the Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 suite. Among these are adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, front automatic emergency braking, emergency evasive steering, intersection collision mitigation, automatic high beams, and road sign recognition. Hardtop models have 8 airbags, while convertibles have 6 airbags. Technology chevron. A terrible infotainment system has been one of our few consistent complaints about the Lexus LC. With a revised tech interface installed for 2024, is the car now beyond reproach? The new infotainment system runs on a 12.3-inch screen, which is notably a touchscreen, unlike the previous trackpad-controlled system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and built-in navigation is offered on a subscription basis. Several USB ports allow for device recharging. There's a reconfigurable digital display in the gauge cluster, and a head-up display is available. The standard audio system has 12 speakers, and a 13-speaker Mark Levinson premium system is available. What is Lexus bespoke build? Chevron buying a high-end car is one thing. Making that car truly your own is another privilege entirely. Lexus offers the bespoke build program for the LC, allowing clients to choose special combinations of exterior paint, interior trim, wheels, and various performance and design components that wouldn't otherwise be available from the factory. Going with bespoke build also allows for the selection of an exclusive blue and white interior. Regardless of specification, Lexus LC bespoke build models are further distinguished by a special interior badge and certificate of authenticity signed by the car's chief engineer. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.